CVC words with short vowel A sound. Popcorn is showing you something. Oh, what's that? It is a sound wheel. Let's understand what it shows. As we see vowel A at the center, it is the A sound wheel. A and M makes am as in dam and ram. Dam and ram are rhyming words. A and D makes ad as in dad and said. Dad and said are rhyming words. A and G makes ag as in tag and bag. Tag and bag are rhyming words. A and N makes n as in fan and pan. Fan and pan are rhyming words. A and T makes at as in bat and rat. Bat and rat are rhyming words.
I have learned that if vowel is pronounced little faster, then it is called short vowel sound. Let's repeat words with short vowel A sound. Dam, ram, dad, said, tag, bag, fan, pan, bat, rat.
CVC words with short vowel A sound. Oh, what is this? It is a sound wheel. Let's understand what it shows. As we see vowel E at the center, it is the A sound wheel. A and D makes ed as in bed and red. Bed and red are rhyming words. A and G makes egg as in leg and peg. Leg and peg are rhyming words. A and N makes N as in hen and pen. Hen and pen are rhyming words.
I have seen that here vowel is pronounced little faster, so it is called short vowel sound. Let's repeat words with short vowel E sound. Bed, red, leg, peg, hen, pen.
CVC words with short vowel E sound. Oh, again, a sound wheel. Let's understand what it shows. As we see vowel I at the center, it is the E sound wheel. E and T makes it as in sit and kit. Sit and kit are rhyming words. E and D makes id as in kid and lid. kid and lid are rhyming words. E and G makes ig, as in pig and fig. Pig and fig are rhyming words. E and N makes in, as in bin and pin. Bin and pin are rhyming words. E and P makes ip, as in lip and zip. Lip and zip are rhyming words. E and X makes ix, as in six and mix. Six and mix are rhyming words.
Here vowel is pronounced little faster. So it is called short vowel sound. It's time to recall the words with short vowel I. Sit, kit, kid, lid, pig, fig, bin, pin, lip, zip, mix, six.
CVC words with short vowel or sound. Here comes another sound wheel. Let's understand what it shows. As we see vowel O at the center, it is the O sound wheel. O ender makes odd, as in rod and pod. Rod and pod are rhyming words. O and T makes ot, as in cot and pot. Cot and pot are rhyming words. O and P makes op, as in mop and top. Mop and top are rhyming words. O and X makes ox, as in fox and box. Fox and box are rhyming words. O and B makes ob, as in job and sob. Job and sob are rhyming words. O and G makes og, as in log and dog. Log and dog are rhyming words.
As here, vowel is pronounced little faster, so it is called short vowel sound. It's time to repeat the words with short vowel O sound. Rod, pod, cot, pot, mop, top, fox, box, job, sob, log, dog.
CVC words with short vowel A sound. That's a sound wheel. Let's understand what it shows. As we see vowel U at the center, it is the A sound wheel. A and B makes ub, as in tub and cub. Tub and cub are rhyming words. A and M makes as in Sum and gum. Sum and gum are rhyming words. A and n makes un, as in bun and sun. Bun and sun are rhyming words. A and p makes up, as in cup and pup. Pup and cup are rhyming words. A and g makes ug, as in jug and mug. Jug and mug are rhyming words. A and t makes ut, as in nut and hut. Nut and hut are rhyming words.
So here, vowel is pronounced a little faster, so it is called short vowel sound. Let's recall the words with short vowel U sound. Tub, cub, sum, gum, bun, sun, cup, pup, jug, mug, hut, nut.